Good morning, children. Today we are going to do lesson 5 of your grammar book, Kinds of Sentences. Before we start the lesson, let us revise what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, right, children? And you all know that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamatory mark, right? Now we start with this lesson, kinds of sentences. Children, there are four kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. So now we will try and understand each kind of sentence. The first one you read was declarative. It is also known as assertive sentence. Okay. And now an assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact. It just makes a statement. Okay. Like for example, the train is late today. The second kind is your imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command. Children, it can also be a command, it can be an order, it can be a request. Okay. For example, Vivek, go to your room at once. Now, this is an order. So, this is an imperative sentence. Now, children, both assertive as well as imperative sentences end with a full stop. Okay. Now, the third kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. What happens here? An interrogative sentence asks a question. And naturally, when you will ask a question, the sentence will end with a question mark. For example, where is my pen? What are you doing? You know, why are you late? So here you are asking questions. So they will all these sentences will end with a question mark. The fourth kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Now here children, these sentences, they express sudden and strong feelings. When you're very excited or you're very happy or you're very sad and dejected, then you use an exclamation mark in your sentences. For example, what a shame. Say there's a match of cricket going on and India is, doing very badly. So you feel dejected, you feel sad. So what do you say? You say what a shame. And because this sentence has so much of your emotions involved in it, that you use an exclamatory mark. So exclamatory sentence expresses sudden and strong feelings or emotions. So we will do the types of sentences once again. The first kind, the declarative sentence or the assertive sentence, tells something. It's like a statement, and it ends with a period or a full stop. Interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. Exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling or emotion and ends with an exclamation mark. Imperative sentence gives a command. It can also be an advice or a request. And it ends with a period, that is a full stop. Or sometimes you can also have an exclamation mark here. But generally, imperative sentences end with a full stop. Now, children, you know that a sentence is a set of words that conveys complete sense, right? Now, a sentence may convey a statement which can be affirmative or negative. Affirmative means yes, negative means no. So if you say, I am going to school, that will be an affirmative sentence. But if you say, I am not going to school, that will be a negative sentence. Then it can be a question, can be a command, request, advice, or suggestion, or a sentence may convey a strong feeling. Now let us read these sentences. I bought a pretty dress. So the first sentence, what is it doing? It is simply stating something. It's just telling you, I bought a pretty dress. So it's an assertive sentence, or even you can call it a statement. Then the second one, what's the cost of this dress? Here you are asking a question. So it's an interrogative sentence. Okay. Look at this dress. Here you are giving a command. So it's an imperative sentence. How expensive the dress is. Here, like you are expressing a strong feeling. So it's got an exclamatory mark. So it's an exclamatory sentence. So children, here you notice one thing. Dress is a common word in all the four sentences, but it has been used in a different manner in each sentence to convey and to explain to you the different kinds of sentences. Now, in your book, you have these sentences, these exercises. Let's do them. The first one is identify the kinds of sentences. Is Mr. Sharma your neighbor? What will this be? An interrogative sentence. Question. Second, Astha gave me a watch on my birthday. It's a simple sentence. You're just telling something. So, declarative. How are you traveling? Interrogative. Disha and Astha are going by car. Declarative. Simple statement. Wow, you play the drums so well. Exclamatory. What happened to you? Interrogative. Water the plants regularly. Here you're giving a command, an order. So imperative. That's a brilliant idea. Exclamatory. It rains heavily in rainy season. Simple statement, a fact that you are telling. So declarative. You will fall ill if you play in the rain. Again, declarative. Don't play in the rain. Here you are giving an order. So imperative. What a fantastic show the children put up. Exclamatory. Look before you leap. It's kind of an advice, that before jumping, take a look where you're jumping. So look before you leap. Imperative. He can't make such a silly mistake. Declarative. Does Aryan play the guitar? Interrogative. Now, children, there are four kinds of sentences. Now, what you have to do, you have been given these words and you have to make four kinds of sentences based on the given words. Like the first one is honest. So, assertive, Rajan was an honest person. Interrogative, is he an honest person? Imperative, always be honest. Advice. Exclamatory, what an honest leader he was. Your second word is beautiful. So for assertive or a declarative sentence, she is a beautiful girl. Interrogative, is she wearing a beautiful dress? Imperative, look at my beautiful dress. Exclamatory, how beautiful is my mother. So this is how you have used beautiful in four different kinds of sentences. Again, the next word is wisdom. So assertive, the king is famous for his wisdom. Interrogative, is the king famous for his wisdom? Imperative, use your wisdom. Exclamatory, how full of wisdom he is. Then children, your fourth word is look. Assertive, they always look smart. Interrogative, did he look smart? Imperative, look at the rainbow. Exclamatory, how pretty the flowers look. So children, this is how you can use one word in in all four different kinds of sentences. And now we come to the last exercise of your lesson, where you have to match the situation with the exclamation marks. So, there are exclamatory marks in all of them, but you have to match. So, your sister won a medal. So, what are you going to say? You're going to say, well done. You get a gift. Now, if somebody gives you something, what do you say? Thanks a lot. You tread on some broken glass. Now, if you're going to walk on broken glass, it's obviously going to hurt you. So, what will you say? Ouch. Fourth, your team lost the match. Oh no. And fifth, a child is about to stumble. So what will you say? Be careful, right? So children, I hope you have all understood the kinds of sentences. Thank you very much.